Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Good evening, wonderful peoples of Biafran. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening to all the freedom supporters all over the world. From Biafra land, I greet everyone. Today is a great day. So every single day is a great day as long as we are alive. Tomorrow is the last day of this 4 day sit at home. And I want to appreciate all the Biafrans that really comply with this 4 day sit at home for our great Messiah, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I appreciate you who are supporting this freedom in any way, because it is written that seek ye first the kingdom of Biafra, and every other things shall be added unto you. Those of you that forsake your businesses for these 4 days, believe you me, your income in the following days will be amazing. I want to ask this question to some of us, because in this life there are two things involved: darkness and light. That is why I want to ask some of us this question: where do you really belong to? Darkness or light? Where do you belong to? All the evil politicians, do you think that Nigeria will continue exist? The father of Nigeria are far long dead. The same thing with the mother of Nigeria, Flore Shaw and Lord Lugard. They are all gone. Naira is going. Buhari died since 2017. Bring different man to replace him. His long tenure have come to an end. Another dead man you want to swear in will not even smell the throne. All the evil politicians, we know you people. We are watching you people. This question is mainly for you. Whose side are you? Whose side are you? Because very soon now, the wrath of God will begin to fall upon you people. Igbo politician, whose side are you? House of Reps, senators, governors, local government chairmen, councillors, whose side are you? Market chairman, whose side are you? Because the archangel will soon enter street. And whosoever you see with the blood on the door, it will pass away. Do you know that? Do you know that it is only Biafra can save you? Only Biafra can save. Only Biafra can save. Ndibo, only Biafra can save. Only Biafra can save. Ndibo. That is the only name that can save you. And very soon, the archangel, the sword of God will be passing everywhere. And the only thing that can save you is seeing Biafran written bold on your doorstep. Biafran, I am a Biafran. I am a Biafran. That is the only thing that will save you. Answer this question now before it is too late for you. Whose side are you? And if you say you are inside of Nigeria, because why I'm saying this, so many of you have been baking. When we catch you, you go say, oh, please, I'm a Biafran. I support Biafra. Namdi Kanu, if you ask him, blah, 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 blah. If you support Biafra, begin to speak now. On the newspaper, on television, on radio station. Begin to make yourself known. Begin to show that support now. Begin to show the support that you are on our side now. Because it will soon be late for you. Nigeria is darkness. You represent darkness. And whosoever that support Nigeria is evil. Whose side are you? Are you a Nigerian or a Biafran? You must answer this question. At the end of the day, I will gather those report of yours and then I will present it in the spiritual rain. Because this rain that is about to fall, it will fall on the zinc of everyone. But those that they are clean, those that support Biafra, those that back Biafra, those that are on the side of Biafra, they are the only one that will be safe. Whose side are you? Whose side are you? For those of you who call yourself saboteur, how much, the one thing you people doesn't know is that no matter amount of money your enemy give you to betray your people, they can never trust you. And believe you me, do you really know that now Fulani Hausa men set up a Madu? You don't know this. It was Fulani that set up a Madu. If you sell your brother, your buyer can never trust you. Because if it is easy for you to sell your brother, your own blood, your own people, who is him? He be careful with you than every other person because you are evil. He already know, you already show yourself to him that you are evil. You are not to be trusted or trusted. To those of you who think, have you not been dying? Look at the Bubagu, every village where they sell their youth, deceive their youth. Some of them deliberately go join to come and defeat the children of light. Have you not known that darkness can never defeat light? And when you come, you are the one to first die because all these Fulani will put you in front. Say, go front. Say, now your people. Now your place. Go front. And now you go first die. Some of them might be lucky to run away and escape to their place, but you are gonna. Whose side are you? You have to give yourself time to answer this question. Whose side are you? Are you for Biafra or you are for Nigeria? Because very soon, the wrath of God will begin to fall on all of you that refuse to support this freedom. Believing that because of what you are benefiting from Nigeria, that others should ignorantly or foolishly follow you and suffer and die. We are the children of light. We are the revolutionaries. We are the legion. We are those who have returned back to life to claim and possess what belongs to us. And those of you who refuse to support, wait, your death is coming and is very near. I want to thank those who obey this sit-out tone. I want to appreciate those who are sponsoring us in one way and another. I want to thank our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. I pray greatly for our Supreme Leader. Indeed, he's a real Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I appreciate all of you, my fellow Congress. Thank you very much for making it possible for the land of Biafra to be safe. May God Chukwu Kikabiyama keep guiding and protecting us, because this is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. The land our ancestors hand over to our great-grandfather, and our great-grandfather hand over to our father, our grandfather hand over to our father hand over to us. We must hand over to our children, and our children to our children, and to our children. Nobody, no human or spirit can chase us out of our land, talk less of possessing it. We have come to stay, and at the end, every mouth must hail Biafra. Every mouth must hail Biafra. at the end of this fight, every mouth must hail Biafra. I thank you so very much this evening. Why we are still preparing for tomorrow. I wish you happy sit at home for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless you all.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.